All right, so in this video, we're gonna spend a few moments and just go over some basic math and show you how to add a formula to a cell. It's fairly easy in this case. We're just doing a very simple subtraction exercise. And what we want to do is calculate the rock elevation from the existing ground surface and the rock depth. So using these two values, we're going to calculate the rock elevation. So yeah, you could break out a calculator and do it, but again, the value or the power that Excel brings is to do this math for you quickly and takes a whole lot less time. So to enter in a formula into a cell, you start with the equal sign. That's going to start the formula. Now, there's all kinds of other methods you can come up and insert functions and everything, but because we're just doing a very simple summation or subtraction, it's very easy. You just start typing in the equal sign, then you pick on the first cell. In this case, we want to take this value and we want to subtract this value. So once you select that cell, enter in the minus sign, select cell F3, and you can see E3 minus F3. When we hit the enter key, it creates and calculates the elevation for us. Okay. Now, we could do that all the way down, but that's a lot of work. And again, we're going to make this simple. All we have to do is select that cell, grab this grip, stretch it down, and it's going to do the math. And I'll show you what happens here in a second. Now, before I get out of this, though, we want to just come in here and say fill formatting only. Sorry, fill without formatting, and that will fill in keeping the same formatting that we have over here. Okay, so that shows you the difference between with fill only is taking this format and dragging it down. That's what you're copying. But we wanted to kind of fill without formatting, so it's keeping the same formatting in each cell, and it's just bringing down that value. Now, if you click here, you can see that it's E16, F17, or sorry, E16, F16. So that's what this cell here is, E16 minus F16 gives us that value. So very simple math. If you wanted to add the rock depth, then it would just be a matter of putting a plus sign instead of the minus sign. You can put an asterisk for multiplication, and you can put a slash for division. So not that we would do that in this case because we are just doing simple subtraction.